You know, you could have told me there was a cop sitting down
I
there.
had no idea. I thought it was just a tow
Good
truck.
news was, he gave me a fist bump, says, car sounds good, please don't do that again.
Marty didn't want to enter the video. All right, what's up YouTube? Today we are working on our buddy Steven's G80 M3, brand new car. We lowered this thing a couple weeks ago, did some wheel spacers on it. He's back for some more stuff. Today we're going to be installing some new downpipes and a new Valvetronic full exhaust system. It is titanium. Marty's already working on this thing. You can see here's the factory exhaust. He's got one of the downpipes already off. Factory exhaust is actually pretty nice on this, but obviously going for a little more sound. I don't know if I can grab that. Again, this is from Valvetronics. It's all titanium. You can grab a couple shots of this here. Looks like a really nice kit. It does retains your factory valves and all that, so that's sick. Super light too, obviously titanium. It's already got some nice color change to it. Looks like a good quality kit. Excited to see how this thing sounds.
All right, I'm Marty with Two Brothers, and today we're going to install some matte downpipes on the 22 BMW M3. It's also going to get a catback Valvetronics exhaust. We're going to use the factory exhaust valves on the new exhaust, partially the way through some of the tear down. The factory exhaust is laying out here on the ground, or to the downpipes. We're going to loosen these up, remove them, install the new downpipes. The owner's going to come up, take some pictures. The guys at Matt have graciously donated him a set of downpipes, so we want to make sure everything looks right so we can take care of the customer. I need somebody to jump up on there.
Up on where?
Up on top of the car. Get Stoker. He'll do it. Toward the back of the firewall. These two wires right here. You see them? I need those connectors down through that hole. I got it. Hey Stoker! I lied. Yeah, sorry bro. Yeah. It's right there. See that connector? Yeah. Push it down. Thank you. They're out. Pretty basic install on the lower pipe. A little rough getting the front O2 back around the turbo, but overall not bad. we're effectively doing is, if you're suffering from short armitis like I do, use a cheater method where we take a small wire, push it down through the hole that we can't get into, tie it around the wire and pull it up gently. That way we don't disrupt anything. And then we'll remove that extra wire and toss it. Everything hooks back up like it's supposed to. It came off. There you go, buddy. You get those O2 sensor wires. No, they're down in there.
Oh, way down there?
Yeah, bro. It's just a long way up. My arms ain't long enough. It's gotta go all the way up, and there's a bracket up there. It goes through that bracket and then hooks on the outside. But if you can get it through the bracket, we can let it down, undo it, and I can go up there and hook it up. The shorter one's gonna be the issue. Just pull it out and lay it up to the side, not underneath.
Oh.
I don't know where my light went.
Plugs in right here. Like
Yeah, it comes up. See this pipe going across right here? It goes around that pipe, comes up, and plugs in right here. Finished the install on this Valvetronic exhaust. It's nice titanium. Did a good job with the welds. The customer stated that they had heat treated it after they done the welds. It gives it a nice discoloration of purple, gold. Overall, it looks pretty good. It's not a real extensive setup. It's all bolt together. There's no welding involved. Still use the factory hangers. Like I said, we're going to use the factory exhaust valves. It does come with a set of exhaust valves and a new module. The customer wants to retain his factory. So we're going to start putting it back together, see if we can get him out of here. Can you bring the back up some? This needs to twist, or this?
No, right there.
Your exhaust.
I just don't want
You
to
do
come
what-
off like I'm insulting you.
Yeah, you do what you want to do. Everybody's different. You can push it up, or I can push it up, whatever you want to do.
These are a lot closer.
All right.
We don't condone this, but it was customer's request. My neighbor, actually, good buddy, Mike, we need more customers like this, man. He said, hey, drive my car in, put new tires on it, align it, do everything you need to do, but one request, blow the tires off one last time before you change them. So, Mike, we did what you asked. We appreciate it.
So?
Oh, I love it. You know, you could have told me there was a cop sitting down
I
there.
had no idea. I thought it was just a tow
Good
truck.
news was he gave me a fist bump, says car sounds good, please don't do that again. So I'm gonna do it again when I leave.
So that's valves closed, I take it. Sounds pretty good. Dude, that sounds awesome. It sounds good.
I know, I like it. Sounds surprisingly not like a BMW.
You can hear the turbos whistling a little bit.
Yeah.
It's got like just enough like rasp where it sounds good. So is this valve closed or open?
They'll cold start open if I set it on M2.
Okay.
The problem is after it sits there for a minute, they'll automatically.
Yeah, I like it. It sounds good. Hit it one more time. There it is. I like it, man. It screams.
Yeah, it's loud. We'll see.
Yeah. Hopefully the wife likes it.
Yeah.
Especially,
Okay,
especially with the baby on the way.
I know. I'll just make sure I only start it at 3 in the morning.
Oh God. Well, just start it when the baby's already awake.
Yeah.
That way,
Yeah.
you're good.
No
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah. Push it down the driveway, like halfway down the road or
I've
something.
lived
Then
that
get.
life before.
Oh, buddy,
Yeah.
I've been there. I've been there.
Sneaking around, it's not fun.
Yeah. Well, it sounds awesome. We'll keep your exhaust to the side.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you all for everything.
Dude, thank you.
Yes.
We appreciate it.
Always. I'll be back. You know it.
Oh, for sure. I'm glad you're happy with it. It turned out awesome.
Y'all take care.
All right, man. Be careful.
Yeah.
We'll see you later.
See you, man.
All right. So there it is. Valvetronic valved exhaust, downpipes, titanium, everything. Dude, it turned out awesome. The exhaust is beautiful. Liam got a bunch of good shots underneath the car. Had a couple small things to tweak on it as far as fitment goes, but overall, dude, it turned out awesome. Steven's happy with it. That's our main goal. So we appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, and check back with us next week. See you soon.